is playing with his bright orange ball in the garden. He kicks it happily. The sun is shining. Bubu kicks the ball very hard. The ball flies high up in the air. He watches it go. The ball comes down and rolls fast toward a big bush. Bubu runs behind it. Bubu reaches the bush. He bends down to look. The ball is gone. He looks confused. Bubu searches under the bush. He moves the leaves with his hands. No ball there. Bubu stands up. He looks left and right. He puts his hand on his hips. He looks worried. Bubu walks to the other side of the bush. Still no ball. He sighs sadly. Bubu sits on the grass. He puts his head in his hands. He looks very sad. The ball is lost. A little brown bird flies down and lands near Bubu. The bird tilts its head curiously. Bubu looks up at the bird. He points toward the bush. He tells the bird what happened. The bird chirps and flies toward a big tree. The bird looks back at Bubu. Bubu follows the bird. He walks across the green garden grass. The bird lands on a low branch of the big tree. The bird chirps loudly at Bubu. Bubu looks up at the branch. He squints his eyes to see better. Bubu sees his orange ball stuck between two branches. His face lights up with joy. Bubu jumps up to reach the ball. He cannot reach. He tries again and misses. Bubu looks around. He finds a small wooden stool nearby. He drags it under the tree. Bubu climbs on the stool carefully. He stretches his arm up. He reaches the ball. Bubu pulls the ball down. He hugs it tight. A big happy smile on his face. Bubu climbs down from the stool. He looks up at the bird. He waves at it. He says, "Thank you." The bird chirps happily and flies away. Bubu waves goodbye to the bird. Bubu sits on the grass with his ball. He hugs it and looks relieved and happy. Bubu stands up. He holds the ball up the camera and gives a thumbs up with a proud smile. Bubu waves at the camera with one hand. The ball is in his other hand. Like and subscribe.